Welcome student in Christchurch Convent Digital Classes, subject Chemistry class 12, chapter 7. Today we will start new chapter. In this video we will see about the p block element. In this chapter we will see the general trends in the chemistry of element of group 15, 16, 17 and 18. Learn the preparation, properties and uses of dinitrogen, phosphorus and some their important compounds. Describe the preparation of properties, uses of dioxygen, ozone and the chemistry of some simple oxides. No allotropic forms of sulfur, chemistry of its important compounds and the structure of its oxy acids, preparation of and properties and use of chlorine and hydrochloric acid. To know chemistry of interhalogen and structure of oxo acid of halogens, use of noble gases and appreciate the importance of these elements and their compounds in our day-to-day life. So in this video we'll see about group 15 elements. Group 15 includes nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. As we go down the group, there is a shift from non-metallic to metallic through metalloidic characters. Nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metal, arsenic, antimony, metalloids and bismuth is a typical metal. Occurrence कहाँ पाए जाते हैं नेचर में ये? Molecular dinitrogen contains 78% by the volume of atmosphere in the earth crust. So molecular dinitrogen 78% is in the atmosphere. In the earth crust it occurs as sodium nitrate NaNO3 called chili saltpeter. अर्थ क्रस्ट में चिली सॉल्ट पीटर के रूप में होती है. एंड पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट इंडियन सॉल्ट पीटर NPK. It is found in the form of protein in plants and animals. Phosphorus occurs in mineral. Phosphorus occurs in mineral of the apatite family. Calcium Ca9PO46 CaX2, where X can be fluorine, chlorine or hydroxyl. For example, fluorapatite Ca9PO46 CaF2.CaF2. Which are the main components of phosphate rock? Phosphorus is an essential constituent of animal and plant matter. It is present in bones as well as in living cells. Phosphoproteins are present in milk and eggs. Arsenic, antimony, bismuth are found mainly as sulfide mineral. The important atomic and physical properties of this group element along with their electronic configuration of group 15 are given below in the table 7.1. एटॉमिक नंबर नाइट्रोजन का 7 है, फास्फोरस का 15 है, आर्सेनिक का 33 है, स्टिबनीन Sb का 51 है, एंटीमनी बोलते हैं इसको शॉर्ट में, बिस्मथ का 83 है. फिर एटॉमिक मास दिए हैं ग्राम पर मोल में, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दिया है, आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी दी है. नाइट्रोजन की सबसे ज़्यादा है, फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी, फर्स्ट सेकंड और थर्ड. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी दी है, नाइट्रोजन की सबसे ज़्यादा है 3.0, 2.1 फास्फोरस की, मतलब डिक्रीज़ होती जा रही है. कोवेलेंट रेडियस बढ़ती जाती है. आयनिक रेडियस पिकोमीटर में है, वो भी इंक्रीज़ हो रही है, पर स्टिबनीन और बिस्मथ की कम हो गई. मेल्टिंग पॉइंट सब दिया हुआ है, यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू. Now the trends of some atomic, physical and chemical properties of the group are discussed below. Electronic configuration. The valency shell electronic configuration of these elements is ns2np3. The s orbital in these element is completely filled and p orbital are half filled, making their electronic configuration extra stable. That's why nitrogen gas is found in 78% in atmosphere and stable gas. Atomic and ionic radii. The covalent and ionic radii increases in size down the group. There is a considerable increase in covalent radius. Ionization enthalpy means energy required to remove electron from any atom is called ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy decrease down the group due to gradual increase in atomic size because of extra stable half-filled p orbital electronic configuration and smaller size. Electronegativity decreases down the group of the group 15 element. Physical properties. Now physical properties, all the elements of this group are polyatomic. Dinitrogen is a diatomic gas while others are solid. Metallic character increases down the group. The nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metal. Arsenic, antimony, metalloid, bismuth is metal. Due to the decrease in the ionization enthalpy, the increase in the atomic size, the boiling point in general increases from top to bottom. When we move down the group, oxidation state and trends in the chemical reactivity. Common oxidation state of these elements are -3, +3 and +5. The tendency to exhibit -3 oxidation state decreases down the group due to the increase in size, the metallic character. In fact, the last member of the group, bismuth, hardly forms any compound in -3 oxidation state. The stability of +5 oxidation state decreases down the group. The only well characterized bismuth 5 compound is BiF5. The stability of 5 oxidation state +5 oxidation state decreases and that of +3 oxidation state increases due to inert pair effect down the group. Nitrogen exhibits +1, +2, +4 oxidation state. Also when it reacts with oxygen also shows +1, +4 oxidation state in some oxo acids. In case of nitrogen, the all oxidation state from +1 to +4 tends to disproportionate in acidic solution. For example, 3HNO2 will give you HNO3 plus H2O plus 2NO. Anomalous property of nitrogen. Nitrogen differ from the rest of the members of this group due to the small size, the high electronegativity and high ionization enthalpy and non-availability of d orbital. Nitrogen has a unique ability to form p-pi multiple bonds with itself and with other element having a small size and high electronegativity, for example carbon and oxygen. Heavier elements of this group do not form p-pi bonds. Atomic orbitals are so large and diffuse that they cannot have effective overlapping. So hydride of group 15 member element, sometimes it is asked write the property of the hydride of group 15 member. Properties of the hydrides of group 15 element are NH3, BH3, ASH3, SBH3 and BiH3. So NH3 is called ammonia, PH3 is called phosphine, arsenic hydride, stibnine hydride and bismuth hydride. So melting point of hydride are given, boiling point. Reactivity or towards oxygen. All the elements form two types of oxide, E2O3 and E2O5. For example, Nitrogen and phosphorus are purely acidic. Arsenic, antimony are amphoteric, and bismuth is predominantly basic. Reactivity towards halogen. Halides are mainly EX3 and EX5 type, tetrahalide, trihalide, and pentahalide. Reactivity towards metal. All these elements react with metal to form their binary compounds.